Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating an independent section for the page where page numbers will change or stop. First, go to the end of the previous page and insert a section break, Next Page. Once done, double-click the header or footer area on the target page to open Header and Footer tools. You need this separate section because Word links headers/footers across sections. Breaking that link is essential so you can modify or remove page numbers without affecting earlier pages. Now you stop the automatic carryover. With the header or footer active on the target page, click Header and Footer tools and turn off Link to Previous. This unlinks the section. Once unlinked, select the page number on that page and delete it. Only that section loses the number. If numbering should continue elsewhere, use page number format page numbers to set the correct starting value. This controls whether following sections restart at 1 or continue sequentially. Finish by closing Header and Footer and reviewing the document to ensure only the intended pages changed. If numbers shifted unexpectedly, return to each section and confirm Link to Previous is disabled where required, and verify page number formatting so starts are correct. If things still go wrong, show non-printing characters paragraph to reveal hidden section breaks. Misplaced breaks often cause numbering issues. You can then delete or move the break and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.